Hotel Indigo Williamsburg, Brooklyn. Let's go take a look. Room tour time. So as we come in, it's Melissa. How come every hotel I go to, you're in it? Plenty of room for the cases. Open wardrobe. Shower. Hello. We come in. It's quite a big room for a New York room, isn't it? Yeah, there's a nice smell. You can't pick that up obviously on video. Flat screen TV, coffee machine, safe, a refrigerator. That's for your own use. And we're looking out onto Williamsburg. Not the most exciting view, but... So now it's time for some arty stuff, isn't it? Before I go, let's have a look around at the rest of the hotel.
Yeah.
Yeah, and here's the rest of the hotel. What's your breakfast like?
Nice. Bagel and a nice fresh fruit salad.
And I didn't wait. I'm not like those Instagrammers. I just tuck into my breakfast when it arrives. So that was our video about the Hotel Indigo Williamsburg, Brooklyn. And look at New York.